Hi, can you do my hair and my makeup, please?
Okay.
Let's get started. What are we doing first?
Makeup.
All right. Hi. Nail polish.
I have a swing too.
Wow. Very nice. You like it? You like it, baby? You like it? Let's put the crown on. We had a crown. It's over there near the... I think it's over here.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready, girl?
Oh, look at that. How
She
cute.
was good this time, but now she has.
She's getting a gift. Wow.
She took
Wow.
off her crown.
Good job.
Keep it on. Wait, it's like. It looks so cute. She has two.